Hey guys, welcome back to Emily's World. Today we came back with another vid, and we're doing the slime review. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. And I'm doing a giveaway, so stay tuned to the other video. Let's get started. So here I have a pink metallic jelly cube slime. Here I have blueberry slime. Here I have some glue stick slime. I have grape slime. I have mermaid slime. I have jelly cube oyster slime, and I have mint slime. So we're gonna get started and take this out so we can play with it and show it to you guys. So come on, turn around. So which one do you think we should start with? Come on, magic modeling hand. This one. Let's put these aside. I'm gonna start with this one. So this one's mermaid slime. As you can see, it has blue and green glitter in it, and this one is like an aqua slime color. So this one's very magical. So we're going to see someone to poke it and see what they say about this slime. How was it? Great. All right. Let's just take this slime out. As you can see, when you drop it, it's like very watery. So this one's water slime, and it's clear. Very airplane, and as you can see, this one's so beautiful and amazing. We have it. Alright guys, my modeling person is going to turn you around with a little bit of magic for the next slime. Go! Alright guys, which slime should I do now? This one's already done. Doing the jelly cube pink metallic slime. This one's amazing because it's not that amazing. See guys, that little clear bubble? This one's amazing because of its color, and it's metallic by the sun. I don't know if you guys can tell that. But this one's jelly cube, so we got some sponges in it. And it's very good. As you can see, it got all this in there, which are the jelly cubes. Modeling hand, you can touch it and tell me what you think. Is it good? Great. So guys, I will might do a giveaway of these slimes, so stay tuned. So here, as you can see, it's very pink clear. Stop modeling hand. And we're going to go, oh god, this one's sticky. We're gonna go with the next slime. Start! Alright guys, come back, and we are going to do another slime. So we have 5 slimes left. Modeling hand, choose one. So she's going for the blueberry slime. So this one, as you can see, is very bluey, and it has all the type of bluey and purple colors. Oh, sorry, there's some little slime in there. And this one's also very amazing. So there it is. And we're going to take it out. It's a little sticky too. This one's also clear. All these slimes are clear, so they can look cute. And now the hand is going to tell me which one did you guys like, if it was good or something like that. Very stretchy. Alright, let's stay tuned back to the slime, and with a little bit of magic, you guys will spin. Okay guys, come back. We're back here and we are choosing another one, and we only have 4 slimes. So modeling hand, mint slime. This one's my fave. Look how gorgeous. This one doesn't have glitter because it's mint slime and it's aqua, so it's in between. This one's also metallic and it feels so good. Let's poke it. Oh, and our modeling hand's gonna touch it very fast too. And a little slow. Amazing, right? So here is the slime, very pokey, and she says it's good. So let's go to the next one. With a little bit of magic, spin! Okay guys, we came back and we have only 3 more slimes, so let's see which one does our modeling hand choose. We have water slime jelly cube. So here is the gorgeous, gorgeous blue aqua slime. So it has blue glitter and it's going. And as you can see, this one's very watery. So this one's water slime. And it's also awesome because it also has jelly cubes in there. So the jelly cubes were sponge also. And this one I didn't have more jelly cubes, so this one's not much stretchy because my friend gave me this one. The other ones I made it, so I say mine are better. And our modeling hand is going to touch it and tell us what she thinks. What was it, modeling hand? Great? Yes, so as you guys can see, all the jelly cube slimes are supposed to be jelly. So actually, I did make this one. There's another one that my cousin made, but I made all of these. So let's go back and you guys may spin. Which one? Grape slime. So this grape one is also amazing. They all have shaving cream in it, but this one's a little sticky, so let's go ahead and take it out. Clear. Very purpley and pinky. So I really like this one. I guess this one needs a little bit more activator. And you guys can buy these slimes on my slime shop. So if you guys want to win one of the slimes, just put down in the comments notification squad. So #Emily's World. So let's get to the next one.